Hey YouTube followers, here's a quick update on what's been happening with this 56 build. I know I've been posting a lot of stuff on my marine activities. I got carried away getting the boat set up. Anywho, there's a big mess in my garage. Ice fishing season started, so I've been fishing, but getting back on the 56. I'm up to doing the fuse box, laying out the final wiring. This is so much fun. Quick update on the interior. I got a dash extension glued in. This is bought from mid-50s. It's a piece of fiberglass that's been notched for the steering wheel holder. You notice I've got all these holes cut out. Well, some of the holes are going to be for the air ride gauges to tell me how much is in there and the tank pressure, and then lastly the third hole is going to be just a boost gauge and a vacuum gauge. These vents are kind of unique. I didn't like the vents you normally buy from basically Vintage Air or whatnot. These are Audi TT vents. What's unique about them is you can, change the direction of the flow left, right, in and out. But the other unique thing is you can close off the vents. They're not glued in, but you basically rotate it 90 degrees and you can shut that vent off. And the way I've got the ventilation system wired is all the vents will be blowing into a central duct up in here, as you can see. So I'll be defrosting all the time, and depending on the differential or how much resistance there is, I can control how much air will be coming out of the vents here versus the defrost. Now, I'll also have a switch on the dash so I can turn on the floor ventilation. Well, kind of hard to see down there, but yeah, a lot more work going on. Built kind of a center console here. This is going to go something like that. All the electronics, fuse boxes, everything will be housed in there because this truck was not designed to be, filled with all this kind of crap. Seat rails are bolted in. Seat belt mounts are bolted in. I have a center console for the shifter done. It's sitting on the other side of the truck. And what's nice is as things go in, the bed of the truck is getting less and less as all the parts are being installed. Of course, I've got the steering wheel here. A few more knick-knack items. That box there holds the bulk of the parts that are going in next. I did a quick primer paint job. I wanted to paint the top white. As you can see, the hood's kind of primed white. Just give me a preview of what it'll look like. I was going to have a red belt line going up on the hood, and then just kind of running along the side, and then a white top, black bottom. Kind of give you a preview of the back. I think I did this already. I've got a hitch installed. The pan's cut out for it. There's a hole notched in the bumper. I do plan on towing with it. And hopefully I can get the wiring done here in a month or two. And then plan is to take it all apart, do some final prep, and start painting.